Hello, everyone. Today I will briefly explain digital marketing and its main components. Digital marketing is the process of promoting products, services, or brands using online platforms. In the center, we see digital marketing shown inside a laptop screen. It represents that all marketing activities are done digitally. Now let's understand the main parts step by step. First is lead generation. It means finding potential customers and creating interest in them. Next is content marketing, where valuable and engaging content is created to attract people. Then comes opt-in email marketing, where emails of interested users are collected to communicate with them directly. Social media marketing includes platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, which are used to promote brands and connect with audiences. Now let's look at the left side. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving a website's ranking on Google so more people can find it. CRM, or customer relationship management, is used to manage customer data and maintain strong relationships with them. Search ads are paid advertisements shown on search engines to bring fast traffic. Finally, onboarding means guiding new customers so they can easily understand and use the service. All these elements work together to make digital marketing successful and help businesses grow.